Want to make your text look rich and luxurious? In just a few steps, I'll show you how to create a premium gold text effect in Photoshop that really stands out. Let's begin. Create your workspace. You can make a custom one or select from these presets and confirm. Navigate to Adjustments, add a solid color, set the fill to black, and click OK. Select the Text tool, go to the Text Properties, and choose your preferred font. Click on the text fill thumbnail to open it and change the color. Use the exact hex code to get the same color. Click on the background, type your text, and confirm. Make the text larger as shown. Press V to release the Text tool and properly align the text. Next, open Layer Styles and apply Gradient Overlay. Change the blend mode to Luminance. Open the Gradient Editor and add the specified colors accordingly. Confirm and adjust the settings. Apply inner shadow, change the color. Confirm the changes. And follow the exact settings. Now that we've achieved the gold effect, let's enhance it to look more professional. Import the lens flare, which you can get from the link in the description. Drag it onto each character as shown. Confirm. Change the blend mode to screen, so the background becomes transparent on the text. You'll see it pop. Create multiple copies using Ctrl+J and position them on each character. Press Ctrl+T to activate Free Transform and resize the lens flare if needed. Press Enter to confirm. In the Layers panel, hold Shift and click to select these layers. Press Ctrl+G to group them, to keep the effect within the text. Hold Ctrl and click on the text thumbnail to create a selection around it. Select the group folder, add a layer mask to apply the effect. You can see the before and after. To make the lens flare more vibrant, press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. And that's how you create a premium gold text effect in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing design tips.